Understand the print-on-demand PO'd model. PO'd is a business model where products are printed and shipped only after a customer places an order. This eliminates the need for upfront inventory costs and reduces the risk of unsold products. Choose a niche. PO'd allows you to sell a wide variety of products, but it's essential to focus on a specific niche. This will help you stand out from the competition and attract a loyal customer base. Consider your interests and passions when choosing a niche. Research your target audience. Understand your target audience's preferences and needs in terms of design and product type. This will help you create products that appeal to them and increase sales. Use social media and online forums to gather insights into your target audience's preferences and behaviors. Choose a pod platform. There are several pod platforms available in the market like Printify, Gooten, and Printful. Choose a platform that suits your needs and offers the products you want to sell. Consider factors like pricing, product quality, and customer support when making your decision. Create high-quality designs. Your designs are the heart of your PO'd business. Invest in high-quality design software and hire a professional designer if necessary. Make sure your designs are unique, eye-catching, and relevant to your niche. Set competitive prices. Pricing is a critical factor in PO'd. Set competitive prices that are attractive to your target audience while still allowing you to make a profit. Consider the cost of the product, shipping, and platform fees when setting your prices. Optimize your listings. Make sure your product listings are optimized for search engines and include relevant keywords. Use high-quality images and detailed product descriptions to attract customers. Promote your products. Use social media, email marketing, and other digital marketing channels to promote your products. Collaborate with influencers and bloggers in your niche to reach a wider audience. Provide excellent customer service. PO'd businesses rely heavily on customer satisfaction. Provide excellent customer service by responding promptly to customer inquiries and resolving any issues quickly. Manage your finances. Keep track of your expenses and profits using accounting software. Set aside funds for taxes and other expenses. Scale your business. As your business grows, consider expanding your product line and targeting new niches. Investing automation tools and outsourced tasks like customer service to free up your time and resources. Stay up to date with industry trends. Keep an eye on industry trends and innovations to stay ahead of the competition. Attend industry events and join online communities to stay informed. Be patient and persistent. Building a successful PO'd business takes time and effort. Be patient and persistent in your efforts, and don't give up in the face of setbacks. Keep learning and improving your skills, and you'll eventually achieve your goals.